In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively get help with Netflix using their online resources. Whether you're facing streaming issues, billing concerns, or just need some guidance on how to use certain features, this straightforward guide will help you find the answers and assistance you need. We'll navigate through the various support options that Netflix offers directly from their website. First, open up your preferred web browser, and in the search bar type Netflix. Hit enter and you'll see Netflix's official website as one of the top search results. Click on this link, which will take you directly to Netflix's homepage. Now, you might be tempted to jump straight into streaming, but for today, our focus is on getting support. Once you're on the Netflix homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a link labeled Help Center. This link is your gateway to the world of Netflix support. Go ahead and click on Help Center. This will lead you to a page filled with helpful articles and FAQs, but our goal is to directly reach out to Netflix support, so let's proceed to the next step. On the Help Center page, look towards the top right portion of the screen. Here you'll find a link that says Contact Us. Click on Contact Us to navigate to the Netflix Contact Us page. This is the main hub for all your support inquiries, offering multiple ways to reach Netflix. You'll notice options like live chat or phone support, but the main tool we'll focus on today is the issue submission box. Now that you're on the Contact Us page, you'll see a box where you can describe the issue you're experiencing. Click into this box to start typing out your issue in detail. Be as specific as you can be, because the more information you provide, the better equipped Netflix support will be to assist you. Mention any error codes, specific device issues, or services you're unable to access. Once you've described your issue, Netflix will guide you on the next steps or connect you with a support agent who can offer direct assistance. It's important to remember that Netflix provides robust support options tailored to resolve a wide range of issues. Whether it's troubleshooting connectivity problems or understanding billing discrepancies, taking the time to use these resources can save you a lot of frustration. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting the help you need from Netflix. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos on streaming and tech support.